Welcome to Cooking with Granny and Mama Soul Kitchen. Today it's Soul Food Sunday, everybody. I'm making my granddaughter, who is in recovery from her surgery, some fried chicken, some cabbage, and of course her favorite garlic mashed potatoes. There's nothing like that, I'm telling you. Now, if you guys go on our YouTube channel, we showed you guys how to do our old school fried chicken, everybody. There's only one way to do fried chicken up in here, and that's by old school fried chicken seasonings. Now check this out. You have to have that black kettle skillet, everybody. The girls, ladies, gentlemen, whatever it may be, it's time to invest in a black kettle skillet, because that's how you fry the perfect fried chicken. And here it is, all of this together. How do you guys like your soul food Sundays? Do you guys like the fried chicken and smothered cabbage and mashed potatoes? Or how do you like your soul food Sundays? What's your favorite? I'm telling you, she's gonna love this. It looks delicious. It smells delicious. And of course, it's how we do it. We're gonna show you guys how to make these garlic parmesan mashed potatoes coming up soon. And I just want to show you also the fried chickens available on our website, not website, but our YouTube channel of how we make this. Now make sure you guys follow us for a lot more. Bye.